Hello friends, this is me Neha Jones, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing 3CE Dual Blend Blusher in shade SHRUG. The product claims that two-tone blusher spices up your makeup game in single swipe. Watercolor-like blush shades that melt in, clear-fitting powder system designed for excellent adhesion, sebum control and long-lasting makeup. Now it comes in a clear case with a brush. Product information is at the back side. It is sealed with 3CE signature seal. The product has strong locks, so opening it is a little hard. SHRUG has a lovely vivid coral and bubbly pink colored blushes. The shades can be used separately or mixed together. Plastic quality is quite high. This soft bristle brush seemed hard to me online, but it is very soft in person and perfect for a blush brush. The blushes are pigmented and buttery. Both powders swatched really well on my naked dry skin. As neon and bright blushes are in the summer, I think it is perfect for it. Upon applying it with a brush, it gives a very clear and watercolor-like effect. The brush distributes the powder seamlessly. I am mixing both shades of blush here, you guys can see that. And even in one swipe, you guys can see both my cheeks are covered. For nose, I have taken another light dig into the blush. I will get a brighter effect if I apply blush more and more. Here I am doing another coat of blush under the eyes very lightly. The blush looks so beautiful on me. 3CE is my favorite brand and I just love their blushes. The powder has excellent adhesion power. It even blurs the pores and you guys can see that. So after 6 to 8 hours and me performing Voodoo 2 times, I can see that this blush lasts pretty long as well. I will rate it 4.5 by 5 minus 0.5 for price. This is me Neha Jones signing off. Bye!